Hi.
Hi. There's just, you know,
Yeah.
there's just black males. Dear Lord, if you can't make me skinny, make my friend fat.
Please. Please.
Excuse me. I have black nails. Avril Lavigne.
I have no nails.
I love you.
I have 10, 20 nails. I hate everything because it's
I'm putting some stuff. So, what day is it today?
Saturday.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's 1:22 in the morning. I love you. Why did you number this?
Having a good hair day today, doesn't it look good?
I'm having,
We have good hair days.
okay.
MJ.
She wants MJ, and his
I
name
thought you were
is
gonna say, no.
Michael Jackson.
No.
Do you know how gross that is?
Not Michael Jackson.
And I think that's brilliant. But
He's not famous.
You know who I like? Anyways, black nails.
Is that my protruding? I was like, sure, talk about it.
Yeah. Right? See how this eye's more open than this one? That bugs me so much. Why is it like that? What? What the? Open. There we go.
Open, close, open, close, open, close, close, open.
Yeah, but mine doesn't do that. It just stays halfway closed. I might as well just shut it. Just shut, you nerd.
We don't have enough house where...
I'd tap that. Let's do another video.